Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the process works reliably. Make sure your Apple Watch is updated and paired to the iPhone with the same Apple ID. Once done, open the Disney app or wallet to create a magic mobile pass. Tap Add to Wallet and choose the watch as the delivery device. You do this because the pass must be provisioned to the watch clavicle, wrist, so it can emulate the Magic Band NFC credentials at touch points. Once the pass creation begins, follow on screen prompts to pick the Apple Watch as the destination and accept required permissions. You need to grant NFC and background refresh so the watch can present the credential without the phone awake. While provisioning runs, keep the devices close and unlocked. Syncing sometimes takes a minute or two. After success, check Wallet on the watch for the pass tile. This confirms the watch holds the token and can add. To finish, test the watch at a tap point. Wake the display, hold the watch face near the reader until you see the green light or confirmation tone. You do this to verify the NFC handshake and ensure your reservations link correctly. If it fails, try quick fixes. Toggle airplane mode, restart the watch, or remove and re-add the pass from your phone. These refresh the token. Make sure the iPhone stays nearby as a fallback, so you can present the QR or reissue the pass if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.